Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Sarah Jean Cesaldo Sabanes. I'm 39 years old. Um, I'm married and I have two kids.
Where do you live?
I live at 1455 Amante Street, Cuyab, San Pedro, Laguna.
How old are your kids?
Um, my firstborn is 18 years old and the second one is 17 years old.
Who will take care of your kids when you go to Hong Kong?
My husband.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
And you are the?
I am the first in the family.
Okay. Are you a high school or college graduate?
Um, I graduated in high school, but I also study college, but undergraduate.
Okay. Do you have any experience in working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Which country?
I worked before in Taiwan. There are four in the family. I taking care of this elderly.
Okay. For how long?
um, 10 months.
Okay. What are your main duties with them?
I also do the household works like cleaning, washing clothes, cooking, gardening.
Why it's only for 10 months?
I break the contract because I need to go back to my country because I have family problem.
Okay. But you have experience in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Like? For
Like,
how long?
I work in my employer is my sister, 2 years taking care of her children.
Okay. Aside from taking care of children, household works.
I also do the household works like cooking, washing clothes and ironing clothes, taking care also of pets.
Okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is high salary compared to other country, and I also want help my family needs, and I also save money for the future for my children.
Okay. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Like stir fry, um, steam fish, and also chop suey.
Okay. Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, yes,
Are
ma'am.
you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What can you teach their employer's children?
I'm teaching them with good manners, also how to read and write and speak in English.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example?
Like my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, like that.
Okay. What kind of employer are you looking for?
I'm looking for a nice and understanding employer.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and also trustworthy.
Okay, can you give a short message to your future employer?
Um, nakalimutan ko.
Can you give a short message to your future employer?
Hello, ma'am. Good day. I hope you can hire. I hope you can hire me as your helper and helper in your family. I will do my best to do my job, my household jobs, and I also follow the rules and regulations in your home.
Okay, can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, and also I promise also to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.